How important is consistency to success?
It's everything. It's everything. The most successful leaders, the ones who I see making the biggest paychecks and rank advancing at the highest rate, are the ones who are showing up 100% consistently.
So, being a busy mom, how do you stay consistent?
Planning. So I have my set hours that I am here in the office and working. So everything is pretty much scheduled. So sticking to that is a big thing, but also the flexibility and freedom of literally being able to work from your phone is everything. So I can pick it up and put it down anytime I have any, little nooks and crannies in my day. So that helps as well. But the consistency level of, okay, these are the non-negotiables that we have to complete every day. Anything that I get to do, again, on my phone, picking up and putting it down in the meantime, that's, what do you call it? It's fuel to the fire. But having the non-negotiables every single day is key to it.